Just go around here.
Okay, so I'm introducing to you our first group to talk about their making of peanut butter balls.
Yeah, so we made peanut butter balls and we were given 0.25. So first we had to go through and find out all of our ingredients for a quarter. Sash, you can explain how we did that.
Okay, so we did that by just basically halving the quantity first, so finding out what it is for a half, and then we just halved that again to figure out what it was for a quarter.
So our ingredients came down to, our peanut paste was 1.5 spoons, which came to 60 grams. And we measured all these by, we had our bowl on the scales, and the scales that we had, we were able to put it on 0, so then we could find out, once we put in the peanut paste, we could find out how many grams it was.
I think you can stand it. I was going to ask, how did you convert it from a spoon to...
Yeah,
Using the scale.
yeah, we put it on the scale and then it told us how many grams it was. The butter was 1/8 of a cup, which was 25 grams. Rice bubbles came to 3/4 of a cup, which was 25 grams. Icing sugar was 1 cup, which was 125 grams. And cooking chocolate came to 100 grams.
Okay, with that we just followed the method and added them all together. We found that in the end it did end up being a bit too dry with the mixture, so we just doubled the quantity, so we just added an extra bit of butter, so we added another 1/8 of butter, so it came to about 1/4 of a cup, I think it was, and that actually was suffice enough to make it into a mixture that stuck together.
So when you went back and calculated your final recipe, what did you come up with?
How much extra butter did you use?
Well, it would end up
Yeah,
one
so it
extra,
came
so
to
it ended up being
1/4 of a cup of butter we used in the end.
Peanut butter?
We didn't actually add any more of that. We just found that
just
Just the butter
butter.
to bring the mixture, make it a little bit wetter.
So the test will be when we bring your balls back
Yes.
Yes.
and test it.
Yes.
Ours did that also.
Yeah.
So we
Yeah.
had extra butter also.
Ours was really dry, but we didn't add any extra. We stayed true to the recipe.
Yeah, we found that there was a lot of icing sugar in it, so then we just slowly put in extra butter, and we found that it was more moist, so then we could roll it into the balls in the end.
All good chefs don't follow recipes.
When it comes to baking, if you don't, it often doesn't turn out exactly right.
You feed it to someone else.
But then so the final issue there was you had to do some estimating and recalculating.